the current situation of my desk. I have everything around because I've been studying. I'm so sorry for the noise because we live in a compound, so that's my cousin playing his music. There is my books. These are the books that I've been studying since I woke up. I've been studying like the moment I woke up. And these are my highlighters. So I'm just gonna keep this in my bookshelf and then we're gonna fix everything.
May napapadodate more! Di mo?
Kumawa na tayo. No? Mali yung napasukan namin, guys. What the hell? Angat siya. This is our out.
Wanag ko pa.
Hindi ko pa siya napapanood.
Ano fingerprints eh?
Paano mo siya ginagamit?
Hindi naman nakaka...
Thank you po! Thank you po, ate.
Sa year 08, sakto na sa...
For my YouTube channel.
Nasa loob ng room. May pantay. Yellow paper.